Hey guys, welcome to Gujarat and my name is Abhishek and the ROG 3 phone was launched earlier. So the live wallpapers of the same mobile are now available. So I have came with the live wallpapers which can be worked on any Android device with the above version of the Android 9.0 version. So the Asus ROG Phone 3 comes with the X mode toggle. So the X mode toggle should be available on installed on the non-ROG devices to make the live wallpaper work. So we will see the wallpapers, and I have provided the two zip files. You can download both of them. First one is the X mode, which is the original ROG 3 wallpapers, and second one is the ROG 2 wallpapers, which are little bit old but they are really great. So I have provided both the zips. For the old wallpapers, you don't need to install any of the X mode APK or do anything. Just install the APK and use them. So let's see it one by one. I have downloaded both of the zip files, and I will now extract the files with the WinRAR. So let's head towards the file manager and extract the downloaded zip files. I will open, and now I will click on the open with and open as a WinRAR application. So I will open it. So if you are wondering where you can download the WinRAR application, just let's head to the Play Store and search it for WinRAR. So you can download the WinRAR software easily. So let's head back to the zip file application and let's extract the Asus ROG 2 wallpapers zip file. So I will extract them. So after extracting, I will extract the main ROG 3 wallpapers zip file, so I don't have to do it again. So I will extract them also, open it with WinRAR just like earlier and extract them. So I'll click on extract and click on OK. So after clicking on OK, the files from the zip file will be appeared in the internal storage where you have extracted them. So open the zip file manager and go to the zip file where the zip file is extracted. So firstly, let's start with the ROG 2 phone live wallpapers. So these ROG 2 live wallpapers will work on any Android devices without X mode or anything. Just install and set it as a wallpaper. So I will install them as one by one. So I will install the first one. Now I will install the second one. So here it is installed. So now go to the Play Store and download the wallpapers app. You can use any live wallpaper setter or live wallpaper app. So I suggest you to download the Google Wallpapers app. It is easy to use and it will work with most of the wallpapers. So I will install it and open it, and let's find out the live wallpaper section, and there it is. We have installed these two live wallpapers app, so you can set it as your wallpaper, as your home screen or lock screen according to your preferences. So I will set one as my home screen. So let's set it as a home screen. So let's see how it looks. So this wallpaper will stop after certain interval of time, so the battery will not be consumed that much as it consumed by the live wallpaper or MP4 wallpaper app. So you can use these wallpapers without any issues. And don't forget to watch this video at the end. The main original live wallpapers are coming in the later video, so don't miss that. So let's try the second wallpaper, and here how it looks as. So let's start with the second wallpaper, which is original ROG 3 wallpapers. So I have extracted the zip file already. So let's open the folder, and firstly you have to install the X mode enabler APK. Thanks to Linux City, he has provided the X mode enabler APK, which will provide us the experience of the wallpapers which is same as the ROG 3 phone APK. So if you have a rooted smartphone, you can just grant the permission for super user request and the app will get installed automatically. So if you don't have the rooted smartphone, please stay tuned to this video. I will install or explain the later process for installing this Xmode APK file on unrooted devices. So for rooted devices, just install the Xmode enabler APK and install the APK files one by one as I am installing right now. So I will install the third one, and now I will install the fourth one. So the apps are getting installed now, and these live wallpapers will appear in the Google Live Wallpaper app as we seen earlier. So open the Google Live Wallpaper app and head towards the live wallpaper section, and here you can find all the 4 wallpapers instructed here. So let's set it as a wallpaper right now on home screen. So you can see that the wallpapers will animate even after you close some app, or let's suppose if you open the Chrome and let's get back to the home screen, the live wallpaper will animate. This is because the Xmode APK, which is provided by Linux City, which gives the experience of ROG 3 live wallpapers on your any Android smartphone above the version of Android 9.05. So I will try another wallpaper. So let's try next one. So this one looks cool also. If you want to customize your smartphone as a gaming smartphone, or you may be looking out for some setups for cool gaming setups, you can use these wallpapers also. So let's try the next one. So actually try the last one. So let's try the last one and set it as a wallpaper. So you can try all of these wallpapers and set any wallpaper as your home screen or lock screen according to your preferences. So if you are having the unrooted smartphone, please stay tuned. I will explain the installation process later in this video. The unrooted process video is a bit rough, so I have provided the link in the description below. You can see the full guide about the installation of unrooted smartphone, so you can see that, or also you can continue seeing this video. So if you have unrooted smartphone, let's get on with it. So for unrooted smartphone, go to the settings and go to the build settings to enable the developer options. In developer options, go to the USB debugging and OEM unlocking. So firstly enable the OEM unlocking and enter your pattern, and let's see the USB debugging now. So now enable the USB debugging feature. So after that you have to enable the USB security debugging feature. So if you want to avoid the error which come after the ADB settings, you have to enable that. If you have this option, only enable this option. If you don't have it, please ignore this option. So I will have to enable this option. And now if you want to see without enabling the Xmode APK from the ADB, the app will work or not. So I am installing the Xmode APK and I will use it without enabling through the ADB options. So it will give the command that we have to enter in the ADB so as to run the XAPK mode and to run the wallpaper in a better way. So I will connect the cable to my laptop and install the latest minimal ADB fastpush tools. I have link given in the description below. So after installing that, we have to open the command prompt in the same folder. So I will open the command prompt now and connect the device and type the ADB devices. This will trigger the options in the phone which will require to give permission to allow the USB debugging. So click on OK to allow the USB debugging feature. Now again type the ADB devices command in the command prompt, so the device will be authorized, and now paste the command which is a main command for enabling the Xmode APK and click on enter. So it will enable the Xmode APK after this screen. So you can install all the 4 APKs now as usual and enjoy the wallpapers on any of your Android smartphone. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next video with the new tutorial. You can enjoy these wallpapers and keep share. Do subscribe if you like the video.